Diaries, and to today's video, which is a great one if you are just starting out to layer your moves. So if you haven't heard me say it before, in belly dancing there's lots of different basic moves, and then the way to extend and advance your dancing is to combine those moves together to make them into a new move. So if you're just starting with your basics, please keep on going with those, but if you're progressing from your basics, then this move today is for you. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you check it out. I have lots of tutorials about belly dancing and discussions as well. And if you are a seasoned shimmy shaker, welcome back. I've gone back to this room of filming. I was trying different things, but just wasn't working for me. If you have any feedback about that, please write it down below. Always open to your suggestions. Okay, so the move we're doing today, it combines two of our basic moves, our twist or our figure eight and a flick. So always starting off with good posture, feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, hands slam down on the boardroom table. Now remember your flicks. With our flicks, we're using our weight side to side. If you haven't learned your basic flicks, I'll link that below. And then we're adding on a twist. So with your twist, remember, we're bringing one hip forward, then the other. I'll link that below too. Okay, so how do we bring these two moves together? The move we're doing today is coming into this. So you can see I'm still doing the flick, but I'm adding the twist in as well. From the top, with the good posture, we're bringing our hip forward. I'm bending my knee. As I straighten my leg, I flick to the front corner. I then come to the center, back to neutral, bending that knee, flicking straight out to the side. I then twist my hip back, bending that knee, flicking to the back. I'm then ready to go to the other side. My hip is already to the front, so it's almost like a figure eight, this one. As you're going around in the circle, this knee's bent, comes out, back to neutral, out, to the back, out. So flick, 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 flick. So this is a really nice move. It's great because it adds some accents. It's still quite simple, but it's a little bit more intricate than your basic flicks or your basic twists. Another thing I really like to do with this move is to add on a half of a figure eight. So if you haven't learned your figure eights before, do them first. I'll link that below as well. Remember, with our figure eights, our hip is coming out to the side. So you can see already horizontal figure eights, very similar to this move, but we're smooth instead of the flick. But it is nice to bring them together in a little combination. So in our combination, we can come flick, 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 and then figure eight. Flick, 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 figure eight. So it's a half figure eight, or that infinity sign on the floor. So it's 3 flicks, can you see that? 3 flicks, and then the half figure eight if you're looking down. So flick, 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 and around. Flick, 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 and around. Flick, 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 and around. Of course, you can do it on the other side as well. So I hope you like this move. If you are learning your layers for the first time, please write down below, how did you go? I know it can be a lot in coordination to try and work this one out. And as always, happy dancing.